Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, I am solving the third set of very short answer type sample questions which are important from your examination point of view. The children who are preparing for their final exams may benefit a lot. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please press the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. Let us start with the very first question. Now in this I will again make you mark the name of the chapter along with the different types of varieties of questions we have specially for 1 marks. In the previous video we have solved certain MCQs, we have solved one-liner questions, but in this video we will solve certain MCQs along with the fill in the blanks. आइए start करते हैं first question से. Choose the correct option from the following. A square pyramid has dash edges. Now a square pyramid has a circular base. Now before that, let me make you all understand. So this is the chapter visualizing solid shapes. Second is from symmetry. Why I am making you write? Because you should know from which chapter what type of questions can be framed from, and this is related to ratio, the third one. Fourth, arranging data, data handling. We have done algebra, we have done symmetry, we have done mensuration, practical geometry. So trying to give you the variety of questions. And so again, this is from mensuration. And this part is from chapter algebra. So this is a very good set of questions. You may all utilize it to your best so that you get good marks in your exam. So square pyramid means the base is square and the upper part square plus triangle. So the number of edges in the square pyramid are 8 edges. Please remember, a square pyramid has 8 edges. Let us move to the next question. So that is, English alphabet has D has how many lines of symmetry? So let me draw an alphabet D. So if I cut it like this, I get one line of symmetry, but if I cut it from top to bottom, it's not possible. So D has only one line of symmetry. Right. Let us move forward to the solving based question on the topic ratio. So ratio says we have to find the ratio is same as. Now let me write 81 is to 108 can be written as 81 upon 108. That is 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Again I can reduce by 3, 3 9s are 27, 3 12s are 36. Again I can go ahead further, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So I've got 3 upon 4, that is 3 is to 4. The correct option is 3 is to 4. Right? I hope you are all trying to understand the type I am trying to explain here. Fourth question. Arranging the data in the form of table. Now whenever you arrange any data in the form of table is called tabulation. It is called as tabulation. Now what is a pictograph? When it is in the form of pictures, when you arrange the data in the form of pictures. Bar graph, when you arrange your data in the form of bars. Right? Alright. Let us move to the next one. That is, फ्रेंड्स वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो ज़रूर लाइक करें एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है चैनल को. आइए फिफ्थ पार्ट. एन इंजीनियर हु वांट्स टू बिल्ड अ बाउंड्री वॉल. जब भी हमें बाउंड्री पे कुछ काम करना है, बाउंड्री वॉल ऑफ हिज हाउस, इट विल नीड टू फाइंड. जब भी हमें बाउंड्री में, इंजीनियर है, वॉल है, इस वॉल को हमने बाउंड्री कवर करनी है, तो ऑब्वियसली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द wall, right? So wall of the house, he will need to find what? उसको बाउंड्री बनानी है, बट बाउंड्री वॉल बनानी है. तो बाउंड्री वॉल में आप बताएं पेरीमीटर या एरिया. ऑब्वियसली जब उसको वॉल बनानी है तो हम बात करेंगे पेरीमीटर की, ना कि एरिया. बिकॉज वॉल जो है, चाहे वो बाउंड्री की है, कमरे में हो सकता है 4 एंट्रेंस हैं, यहाँ पे भी डोर है, यहाँ पे भी डोर है, यहाँ पे भी डोर है. इस वाले डोर को बनाइए तो एरिया कवर करेगा. आइए, the expression 2x plus 4y is what? Now when any expression has two terms, it is called as binomial. It is called as binomial. So monomial consists of one term, binomial consists of two terms, constant term is a single number, and quadrinomial means number of terms are 4. I would like to add here for all of you, if we have three terms, it is called as trinomial. We call the consisting of three terms. अगर ये होता 2x plus 5y plus 3z, z आ जाता, we would have said it is a trinomial. Alright, I hope we are clear with the first question. Yes, so if you want, you can have a screenshot of this page, and let us move further to the next type of questions. So here is the next set of questions. Section B. Fill in the blanks, the coefficient of various numbers now. Of x in minus 2xy squared. So coefficient is always a positive, it's always a constant term. So that is minus 2. You will not forget the negative sign. The ratio of 36 minutes to 1 hour. Now this involves solving. कैसे करेंगे? Let us see. 36 minutes. 1 hour में कितने minutes होते हैं? 60 minutes. तो minute से minute cancel. 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 10s are 60. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So the ratio will become 3:5. Yes. 3/5 को हम लिख सकते हैं 3:5. Right. Write the equation for the sum of a number and 7. सोचे कोई नंबर है x, सम करना है मतलब प्लस and 7 के साथ हमको मिलना चाहिए क्या? 15. So this is the algebraic expression. Why I am doing so fast? Because I know now my students are very much thorough, where they are at least 1 marker type questions. Circumference of the circle of diameter. Now formula for the circumference is 2 pi r. But if we have d, that is 2r. So that is circumference becomes pi d. Right? So circumference अगर हमारे पास pi d है तो कैसे? pi की वैल्यू 22/7, diameter है 7. So that is 22 centimeters only. Right? Alright. अब हम बढ़ते हैं next part की तरफ. The perimeter of a square of side 25 centimeters. अगर हम बात करें perimeter की, ठीक है? I am solving the E part here. Perimeter of square होता है 4 into side. So that is 4 multiplied by 25 centimeters. So the answer will be 100 centimeters. Do solve it in your notebooks and do reply in the comment section if you face any difficulty. And do refer in the description box where we have links for various videos. Data obtained in original form is called. Now this is an important question. Why? Data obtained in original form is called as raw data. It is called as raw data. The data which is obtained in original form. जैसे आपने सर्वे किया, आपको अलग अलग सर्वे में सेंसस था, अलग अलग एज ग्रुप, अलग अलग जेंडर्स आपने लिखे, तो वो हमको जिस भी फॉर्म में मिला, जो भी पहली इंफॉर्मेशन मिली, जो भी ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में मिला, उसको हम कहते हैं रॉ डेटा. I think we are clear with this also. So this is finishing of our the series set 3. Next is set 4. So set 4 is the last set. So here we have finished, and all the best for your exams, all of you. Thank you.